Many daily actions, like eating a burger or scrolling on a phone, are often attributed to a lack of willpower. However, scientific studies challenge this common belief regarding human behavior. Research indicates that over 40% of daily activities are not conscious decisions. Instead, these actions are automatic responses triggered by environmental cues and established habits. The willpower myth suggests that successful individuals possess superior mental strength or an endless supply of willpower. However, willpower is a finite resource, not an unlimited trait. It functions similarly to a draining phone battery, diminishing with each use. Each act of resistance against environmental temptations depletes this limited mental energy. Choice architecture is a design principle that structures environments to influence decision-making. It involves deliberate organization of choices presented to individuals. For example, placing candy at a child's eye level in a store is a choice architecture tactic. Similarly, bright red notifications on phones are designed to capture attention and influence behavior. These design choices are intended to subtly guide habits and actions towards specific outcomes. Our personal environments significantly shape our daily behaviors and choices. The arrangement of objects within our surroundings can subtly, yet powerfully, influence our actions. For instance, placing a phone on a nightstand increases the likelihood of engaging in late-night scrolling. Similarly, having snacks like chips visible on a counter makes consuming them almost inevitable. These examples demonstrate the profound impact of environmental cues on human behavior. Understanding this environmental control allows for conscious design of spaces to promote desired actions. A study explored how environmental cues influence food intake using bottomless soup bowls. Participants with refilling bowls ate 73% more soup than those with standard bowls. Despite consuming significantly more, both groups reported similar levels of fullness. This indicates that external environmental cues, not satiety, drove consumption behavior. Context-dependent memory describes how specific environments become linked with certain behaviors. These associations can unconsciously influence actions and responses. For example, sitting on a couch, often used for watching TV. This action can trigger the release of neurochemicals associated with relaxation and snacking. The body reacts to the established environmental cue. This reaction is a response to the environment, not a genuine craving. Individuals can regain control over their habits by strategically designing their environment. This principle involves arranging surroundings to support desired behaviors and discourage undesirable ones. For example, placing water bottles in multiple rooms encourages increased daily water intake. Similarly, leaving a book on a pillow promotes reading by making the action readily accessible. Such environmental cues reduce friction for positive actions, making them more likely to occur. By consciously shaping one's environment, individuals can foster consistent behavioral change. To effectively break undesirable habits, a strategic approach involves introducing friction into the environment. Friction refers to adding deliberate steps or obstacles to an action, making the unwanted behavior harder to perform. This method increases the effort required, thereby reducing the likelihood of engaging in the habit. For example, moving a TV remote to another room creates friction for impulsive viewing. Similarly, requiring a login for frequently used apps adds a barrier to mindless scrolling. By increasing the difficulty, friction disrupts automatic responses and encourages conscious decision-making.